Hey guys, so you have some potential airdrops, like projecting maybe let's say $5K. So it's very simple, and you can start with it right away. I have this Harpie as well as this AI.Swoop airdrop. You know, we are in the season of AI and you don't want to miss anything coming from the AI space now. So for this Harpie.Swoop, you can check the registration links in the description box of this video. And for the Harpie and also this AI.Swoop.xyz. So starting with this AI.Swoop.xyz, what you need to do here is to click on the link, paste it to your browser, then connect Twitter, connect Discord, join their Discord server, then you have this page. That's what I did to have this page. I've not done anything else. Open the link, use the referral code. I'll drop the link and the referral code in the description box of this video. Then connect your X to sign up. Connect your Twitter. Connect Discord. Then join their Discord server. You see connect code, join courts. They call it court. You can see the courts initiates. So what you need to do is to join their Discord. The Discord is also known as courts. You verify your role on their Discord, then you have this page. So now to start earning their points, click on this train AI. I've not earned any points, I just signed up now. That's why I had to explain the sign up process. This is for the AI.Swoop.xyz. I have just explained the registration process and what you need to do. So to earn points, you reply to their tweets. AI Hub Agent 12, who is your favorite Web3 creator? What should I write? What should I write? Let me use this. I'm using one song to kill two, but you can see AI reply. I want to use the public AI to reply. If you follow my updates on public AI depin airdrop, then you should understand what I'm trying to do here. So I'll just allow the public AI to reply to the post, so that we'll earn points on public AI depin and also earn points for the AI.Swoop.xyz. So I won't be the one to reply myself. I just want to connect my public AI so that I can reply to the tweets and use one stone to kill two birds. So it's as simple as that. So let's see. This is okay. So you can see I've just allowed the public AI to reply to these tweets, and by doing that I've just earned from the public AI airdrop, and also coming back to this AI.Swoop to earn the points. Let me see, maybe I will have to refresh. Then the second task is also to comment on this. The court needs your voice. I'll click on comments. You can see how this task works. So you can use the Mrs. browser to complete this task. Remember, Kiwi browser is no longer available on Play Store, so just make use of the Mrs. browser or Wave browser. Those are the browser extension that you can use. So let me reply to this as well. So this is it. So let me refresh back this and see if the point has been added. So this is what you come here to do every day on this AI.Swoop.xyz. This is the first project I'm introducing in this video. So let's go to the next one, which is the Harpie. Okay. I'm yet to receive the points. Maybe I will try later and see if they are yet to collide the points. Who is your favorite? Okay. I'll come back and check. That's all I need to do. You know, sometimes Twitter API might be slow in sending response. So I'll just hold on and come back to check for that. So now to the next one. I can go to this Harpie. You see, for this Harpie, yeah, you have to scan wallets. It's not like you are doing it manually. No, it's automatic. You scan wallets And if you are having any issue with your wallet, you click on revoke, and that's what you do every day. You see, if you are just signing up, you'll be seeing a different page from this. You are seeing refer a friend, scan your wallet. You do this every day. Link S, use the Harpie to FA. So let me first of all link my S. So if you're not seeing all of this page, you can make use of, if you're using mobile device, use, what's it called? Put your mobile device in desktop mode so that you'll be able to view the page. Put your mobile device in desktop mode so that you'll be able to view the page. And you also need to connect your wallet. So every day, basically, what you do on this Harpie is to scan wallets. You see, scan wallets. I'll click on scan wallets. I'll just click on scan wallet and see. So my wallet has been scanned like that, and I've earned 250 points for today. I think the X is not connected. You see what I said about X API? Let me reconnect. My X is disconnected, so I have to reconnect. What's wrong with X connection? So basically, the Twitter thing is still doing somehow. Let me go to dashboard. So basically, the daily tasks you do on this Harpie AI is to scan your wallet every day. You see what I just did? You click on scan, and that's what you do every day. And on this at the top of the page here, you are saying wallet. So here you have to connect your wallet. You connect your MetaMask wallet, your EVM wallet, whichever. Just connect it here. Then scan your wallet every day. You first of all connect your wallet and you scan. You can see connected and safe. If you have any issue with your wallet, if your wallet has any issue, like maybe you have connected to a wrong site or anything, it will give you the warning here, like you have a site that is not safe, and it will ask you to revoke. So what you need to do is to click on that revoke, and it the wallet will be safe. So if you connect your home wallet and you're not seeing this green below the page here, because I don't have any issue with my connected wallet, that's why it's showing green. So this is not just an airdrop, but a way to also maintain an healthy and safe wallet from scammers. So you can maintain healthy and safe wallets by participating in this Harpie AI. So check the registration link in the description box of this video. Sign up, connect your wallet, scan your wallet. If you have any issues with your wallet, click on revoke, and that's all. Then every day come back to scan your wallet and you earn points. So it's as simple as that. That's the task you have to do every day on this Harpie AI. So for the AI.Hub.xyz, you reply to tweets every day and you earn points. So I'm gonna come back to check this thing later if the Twitter API will have been okay. So guys, this is the updates on the new airdrop. These are potential airdrop with less farming at the moment. Join early and be active. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.